at this little one.
Yeah. This is one of the father. Look at him.
The big ram. He's
Yeah,
a good looking.
the next one down there. This is my little farm, you know. I used to get some honey from this. Green. And we do it like this. You spin it round, and do it like that. And we put it in the teapot, the brew.
So easy, so simple. Okay.
Natural thing.
I make that tonight when we go
Yeah,
back.
natural thing that man. Natural. I used to carry home a big bulk and boil it and let it cool. Sweeten it, let it cool, and put it in the fridge. Let me hold it for you. Put it in the fridge and then just drink it when I'm thirsty.
You're going to live to be 150.
Me?
Yes, I think so, Briggy. 150, 160 maybe.
I'm going to live long, man. Because that's my wish, you know. I ask the Father, Creator, help me to live out all my days. Let me live until I'm old and grey. I'm happy with it, you know. Instead of miserable and, you know, I just want to live. If I live here, nobody come and bother me. I bother nobody. I can live, get up, go to the beach, look 2 fish, 2 lobster, come back. You have to set yourself in a position in life that as you grow older, you become more softer, more subtle, humble, with love, you know. This lady that I just talked to, she have a bee farm in America too, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
She said she bought a smoker for me.
Oh, how nice.
But I gave her some bees, you know. And none such based on me. I gave her some bees, and the bees them sting her up on her workers. So I had to explain to her the suit, the bee suit from America. You need to have on something underneath of it to work with it in Antigua. Because the bees are more aggressive here and they will sting you straight through the suit. Even the gloves you get from America.
They sting through?
Straight through it. Even the gloves. Especially if it's wet with honey or wet with sweat. The bees just sting you straight through. So ever so often I have to send like $500 American to Canada to buy a proper suit. Because sometimes I'm working. I'm not into no bee sting, I'm into working. You understand? I don't have time for stop and something. But you know, if the bee sting you, the honey is the antidote, right?
Is it? You put the honey on it?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it's the honey. Once you remove the stinger and you put the honey on it, 5-10 minutes, the pain gone and the swelling gone down.
Someone told me that the bee stings are good for arthritis.
Listen this. Remember I said to him, man, just think. I figured that because sometimes arthritis now, you're in pain, you can't move. And especially swollen foot and them things and so on. People that in the bed can't move. And you put some bee on them to sting them.
That's true, it's getting them moving. It's just getting them moving.
You understand? The thought of the bee on you alone. The people them not thinking, man. They let the government thinking for them.
Yeah.
One time I'm in England and I'm watching the news and it was a summer. And the woman reading the news telling you what sort of sunscreen to put on. And I'm thinking, oh, for God's sake, that's why we come to know, so we don't know what to put on us. You telling us what to put on us. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Just leave me, man. put on something to shade you from UV, from the sun and all kind of thing. And for hundreds of years,
People didn't have that, yeah.
people didn't have that. Black people tile in the sun. White people tile in the snow. And now you telling them what to put on their skin. Is it possible that you tampering with the weather? you see, when I go to ask them these questions and so on, you know what I mean? They fumble, you know. I asked a lawyer in London. I have 3 questions to ask you, sir. And I would love for you to answer all 3 of them, you know. I asked him, how old is he? He says 58. I said, good. I asked him how he see his life the next 5 years from now. The man do like this, take off his hat and scratch his head. I said, that seems like a heavy question for you to answer, so forget that one day. How you see this country the next 5 years from now?
Scratch his head again?
You're not answering because these are heavy questions.
Yeah.
And if you're not in tune, you understand? A little youth asks you these questions and you fall at the wayside. You have to really in tune, you know where you're on. Sometimes I go on the mountain there, on the hill there, and pray for rain to come now. Because I need rain. You know? These guys take up my dog, brother. Take up my dog, you know.
Not good.
Yeah, what I'm trying to explain to this kid and tell him, right? You come from off the main road and going to a side road to take up my dog.
Yeah, come on.
You understand what I'm saying? The dog tied. The dog have a pot there. The dog have his water there. So I'm telling him, listen son, you are dealing with your feelings. You are feeling for the dog. You're not using your common sense and think that this is a private property, this is somebody's dog. And if they meet you here, what can happen? Because you're dealing with your feelings. You're not dealing with reality. Oh man. Oh, I tell you, the amount of time they tell me to come to talk on some ceremony, I don't have time for that, man. People are not ready.
No.
They're not ready. Oh, yo. I'll go on a world tour. I'll go Mill Reef now. So then just call some people and place them Mill Reef. So you got to carry Mill Reef. You have to carry. Eh? Foundation. Not the makeup foundation.
Not the makeup
Foundation.
You gotta just get that down in a little groove.
Yeah. But this is short. So this is for a different a small super. And it goes through there. See that?
Here.
Honey underneath the roof. Honey underneath the roof.
What are we gonna do?
Take out the
What the bees look like?
Just cover the whole soup.
yeah. The smoke go down on you. Lots of time the smoke go down on you.
And then when they roar and you need the smoke, it's not there.
It's not there. You have to leave and go light it back, come again. Daunting task to get down there, but I will. I will.
Okay, we got the tar paper off. Located the honey. And now, magic. Start tearing the roof up.
Like,
Yeah. That's what I'm doing.
Now, we think we know because
Okay.
they're between the
I see
joists
it.
there.
See,
Yep.
see the line there?
is that the joint of the plywood?
Yeah.
Well, it's,
Are they his eyes?
Yeah,
Where's
his
eyes?
eyes right there.
Okay, don't hurt him.
No.
I might not like him, but here.
His name, he live up to his name, you know.
they're getting a little excited now.
You okay? You going to your house?
Good idea.
I'm so sorry. I'll take your pictures.
Here we go.
Where's the camera?
I'm ready. I'm rolling.
That thing heavy.
Yep. We're gonna have to get a stick or something under there.
Crowbar or something. Smoke. Look, honey. Look, honey. Yeah.
There you go. Oh yeah. Careful.
Wow. Oh no. Look at this. Look at this.
Beautiful thing. So it's keeping going though. You see, I wonder how far up it goes.
Back up more, can you
Yeah.
see?
Okay, we got the honey. Can we get the bees?
Yeah. We will get the bees. When we move all the honey.
Why not just stick a whole piece of honey right in it?
No.
No.
See when they smell that? Where is the lady? Hey.
We're gonna need another box,
Yeah,
another bucket.
Open. Okay. This bucket will be our bucket. Then.
Little piece of magic.
Just need to